Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. So today I want to presentate about I want to presentate my IT project, which is a moment project. The one that I choose is short film ads. And before that, I want to thank all of my friends, all my teachers, my friends, everyone that has given me the chance to presentate in front of you guys all. Now let's just get into the slides. Oh wait, wait. Right. So before we get into the project, the things, I want to explain about the project. So, what is a short film ad? A short film ad is an ad, as you know, that is styled like a cinematic short film. So it's a, how do I say this? It's an ad based on a film, and a short film ad has its characteristics, which is they have a subtle branding, which is it's not like too loud of a branding, so it's like they are not promoting it too too obvious, but they promote their product subtly. So it's like a movie. And then you have the visuals, as you know, color grading, and then videography, and then anything like that. And then you have the story, which is the plot, because it's a short film ad, it's a film, so you need a story, you need a plot that hooks someone into that short film ads, right? Then this is the example. Let me just click it. So see, this is visuals. Then it has a subtle branding. As you can see, they are doing their stuff in Starbucks, and then they are doing everything here. So yeah, this is the story and all. And then you have subtle branding, and then you have, yeah, story plot, story hooks, and like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip it. So yeah, so now let's look at the team. Okay, in this project, we were told to make a team of 2 person, but we could collab 2 teams. But I personally don't like collaborating with other teams because I don't know. So in this project, me and my friend Bagas Tristan is is going to do the project together. Bagas as the main character. I will explain the plot later, and then me as someone who brings the solution to my friend. Now, let's look at the tools and how to do it. So first, I'm gonna show you guys the tools. Here, of course, you have phone for recording and editing. Me personally, editing is an optional. It's an option that you can choose. Me personally, I edit it with my phone because I understand the editing app in the phone more. And then you have the product, as you know, and ads needs something to promote a product, something, which in this case I use the drink brand that is Akufifa. And then you have the app, the editing app. You could use, me personally, I use CapCut, but you could use Light Motion and other editing apps. And now, this is the steps. This is how we make it. First, we brainstorming. Of course, we think and we discuss of the plot on the story for the short film ads. So me and Bagas, we went to the place where we would record, and then we were talking to each other, discussing about the story, which me and Bagas decided to do a story where the main character was playing a basketball and then he gets tired and then someone, his friends, brings him a drink. Okay, recording. So we recorded as, of course, same with the plot. We recorded in the basketball field, and the plot is the main character was dribbling the basket and shoots the basket, and then he gets tired, and then his friend came to give him a drink, and the drink is the product. It's Aku Viva, and then done. Yeah, that's the recording place. And then editing, of course. The editing, I use CapCut, and then I added the narration, which I type it myself. The narration is like, I type it narration. It's like when Bagas do this, and then I typed it, and then it converts it to a speech. So it's text to speech. Yeah. And then color grading, it's just simple. I use filters. You can search. I use two filters. I use film and then black and white for one scene. And then the final touches, like I ask my teacher for a vision, and then I improvise, and then improve my video and all of that. And then this is the result. So yeah, here is my friend dribbling the basket, and then we have the narration or the text to speech. I personally don't dub it, but because at that time my voice was cracking. No, my voice was at a bad state. It was really bad. I have a sore throat, so yeah, I couldn't record it. Yeah, but yeah, so this is the result. It's like what we planned for, and I think this is very yeah. So I think for the result is very good for me personally because I did my best here. I edited it myself. Bagas also edited his video, but I couldn't get the files for it. And yeah. So maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bagas.